Right, so it's Saturday, I'm at home and again flat out to try to finish off this class restoration video before the weekend's gone. I've been tipping away at it bit by bit all week, and now that I have a bit quiet of time, I said I would go hard on it today and try to get most of it done.
Get out.
Billions and 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 billions.
The painting's nearly finished. The bits I thought would be easy ended up taking ages. And sure, that's the way it always goes, isn't it? This is where I'm happiest really, in the shed, tools in hand, music on, and no one annoying me. Restoring these machines isn't just a job or a hobby, it's just something I properly love. There is something brilliant about taking an old, tired tractor and slowly bringing it back to life. I've no big fancy garage or sponsors or anything like that. It's just me, working away when I can, filming bits here and there, and hoping a few people enjoy seeing what goes into it. This class gave me a bit of taste, to be fair. The sanding took forever, and I was nearly losing the head with all the little pieces that need fixing or cleaning. But I wasn't going to rush it, that's not how I work. If I'm doing it, I'm doing it right.
He lost his eyes. Jesus Christ.
The grill come out lovely after a couple cuts, and the touch-ups nearly all done now. I have few more bits to bolt on and tidy up around the engine, and she will be nearly ready for reassembly. Once she's painted and back together, she'll be like a new dog. It's funny, most people are off relaxing at weekend, heading out for a pin or putting on the feet up. But I'm happiest out here at home on the front of my PC, just messing with parts of the video and trying to get something finished. And now, between this and filming for YouTube, I'm trying to turn into something more real, something full-time if I can, proper income from videos, and maybe a future in it. We'll see, but one thing's for sure, I'm giving it 100%.
Magic.
Now, tomorrow I'll be swapping spanners for stages, heading to a rally warm-up event. It's a proper bus, great crowd, and a big of crowd before the big one, the Donegal rally. Can't miss that. So that's me for today, Saturday at home, paint in the air, tractor nearly finished, and the rally backpack for tomorrow. Thanks for sticking around and watching. If you're enjoying the builds, hit like, leave a comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. There is plenty more coming and we're only getting warmed up. This is Restoring Classics, and we always give it our best. No shortcuts, just proper work, every time. Fair play to you lads. I'll see you in the next one.
Really?